We actually export more of our products out of this factory than we do actually importing from overseas.
It's an impressive stat and a point of pride for employees at Sun Automation Group in Glenarm. It's a global industry leader, providing companies all over the world with high-tech equipment to feed, print, and convert corrugated board into boxes. Greg Jones is the Vice President of Global Sales and Aftermarket.
We have sold over 11,000 lead-edge feeders throughout the world. So probably approximately 70 to 80% of all boxes have touched some part of a Sun product through the process.
Sun Automation Group was first established in 1985, primarily upgrading existing equipment. It distinguished itself from its competitors by perfecting what's known as the lead-edge feeder.
The board comes off of a corrugator, and they bring that board into the machine that's going to convert that sheet of corrugated into a box that you're going to pack goods in. When they take that board, they'll place it onto to the machine, and there's a lead edge feeder. So they put the board on the feeder, and it shoots through the machine at up to 200 to 400 sheets per minute, depending upon the product.
In this industry, speed, accuracy, and efficiency are key.
The equipment starting about 1960 to about now essentially is the same. But what's different is the speeds have increased, the performance has increased, the waste has been reduced, the product coming off the machine. And what does all that is the controls of the system. So it's all the technology that goes into the machine.
From ink systems to vacuum transfers to improved print registration, every piece of equipment is customized in their 180,000 square foot facility. Vice President of Digital Technologies Paul Alaprando says their CoreStream digital printer is just like a giant inkjet printer, but instead of paper, prints on corrugated board.
It'll be printed on the flat sheet and then converted into a box or any type of use. Sometimes you'll go into a grocery store and you'll see end units, maybe for beauty products or soda products, and they'll have a display there. And that display may have been printed by a digital press.
And what makes this company unique is that there isn't a single owner. All 140 employees own Sun Automation. And that means when the company does well, their stock goes up.
It means everything. It means bonuses if they do well. It means better raises. And we get a share every year. So as well as the company does, we all do well. It ain't just the upper management. Everybody benefits from it.
Senior painter James Sedano believes the employee stock ownership plan creates a culture of excellence.
It makes you want to work harder. It makes you want to stay here. It's a big incentive.
I think it's a great benefit to retain employees. It also makes them a little bit more cost conscientious when they're making decisions for the company. They realize every decision they make is impacting their bottom line.
While Sun Automation has supplied its equipment to 60 countries worldwide,
our customers would much prefer the product to be made here in Maryland than having to source it overseas.
the company that started in Maryland has no plans to leave Maryland, where aftermarket support is just as in high demand as the equipment they're manufacturing. I'm Nancy Yamada for Your Money and Business.